Level 1. The first sign. You ignore it the first time. A twitch in your left eye that won't stop. 3 days straight. You blame the screen, the caffeine, the sleep you haven't been getting. You're 23. You're fine. Everyone's tired. You push through the gym session anyway. Heavier than last week. Always heavier than last week. Your trainer says you're built different. You believe him. That night, your hands shake while you're eating, just a little, just for a second. You put down the fork, pick it back up, and eat faster. Level 2. The deal you make with yourself. You set a new rule. Sleep is optional. Pain is feedback. Stopping is failure. You're working a double shift at the warehouse in Chicago, nights, 6 days a week. Your body feels like wet concrete by 3 a.m., but you clock in anyway. Because rent is $1,400. Because your mother called again. Because you promised yourself this is temporary. You start taking pre-workout at midnight just to stay standing. 2 scoops instead of 1, then 3. Your heart beats like it's trying to escape. You call that feeling motivation. You don't know yet what you're building inside your chest. Level 3. The numbers start climbing. 6 weeks in, something shifts. You're faster, sharper. The weight feels lighter. You're lifting numbers that made you laugh 2 months ago. Your coworkers notice. Your boss notices. He pulls you aside on a Thursday, offers you a supervisor role, night shift lead, extra $400 a month. You say yes before he finishes the sentence. Now you're responsible for 12 people. You stop taking breaks because they're watching you. You eat standing up. You sleep 4 hours, sometimes 3. But the money is moving. And the numbers in your bank account are doing something they've never done before, going up. Level 4. The body starts talking. Your body was quiet before, now it won't shut up. The headaches come every afternoon, dull, heavy, like something pressing from inside your skull. Your left shoulder locks up during your Tuesday lift. You don't stop. You switch arms. You start Googling symptoms at 2 a.m. Stress, dehydration, overtraining. You close the tab. You order a heating pad and a foam roller and tell yourself that's enough. At work, you snap at one of your guys for moving too slow. He looks at you different after that. You don't apologize. You don't have time for soft. But that night, alone in your car before the shift starts, you sit there for 11 minutes, just breathing, wondering when this started feeling like survival instead of ambition. You start the car. You walk back inside. Level 5. The version of you that scares people. 3 months in, you look like a different person, leaner, harder, dark circles carved under your eyes like they belong there. You've stopped going out, stopped answering most messages. Your friend group slowly stopped inviting you. You told yourself that means you're focused. You pick up a second income, freelancing on the weekends, graphic work, data entry, anything that pays. You're pulling $4,800 a month now, more money than anyone in your family has ever seen at your age. You send $500 home every month, no announcement, no receipt. Your mom calls to ask if you're okay. You say yes. You don't know if that's true anymore. Your resting heart rate is 94. You don't know that either. Level 6. The machine. You've become efficient. You eat the same 4 meals every day, timed to the hour. You've cut out alcohol, weekends, conversations that don't have a point. You wake at 5 a.m., you train, you work, you sleep at 1 a.m., repeat. People at the warehouse call you a machine and mean it as a compliment. You take it as one. But machines don't have feelings, and somewhere around week 14, you notice yours are getting harder to find. You watch a video of your nephew's birthday. Your sister sent it 2 weeks ago. You feel nothing. You put the phone down, you go do another set. That's the moment you should have stopped. You don't stop.